Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to pin someone on Snapchat. So first of all we will go into the Snapchat mobile application and you have to click on chat section, and after that you have to click on profile section and just go to setting. Okay, and you have to scroll down and you have to look for help option. So just click on the support, I need a help. Okay, and after you will click on that, it will take some time to load, and here you have to type pin, okay, in the search bar, and the first option, how to pin a conversation on a chat, just click on that and just read it carefully. Okay, and just you have to go back, you have to go back. Okay, and here on the chat section, if you want to pin someone, just click and hold, and you have to click on chat section, and here you will get an option that is pin conversation, and you can see here that this is a new feature which is fully enabled when you just go to the help section, and after that reading that section it will get enabled in your account. So this is it guys, this is how you can enable a pin section or pin feature in your account. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.